Hello, and welcome to another update video about Dogecoin. So the overall thesis here is that a wave 2 bottomed on the 13th of January. You know that already if you watched previous updates. Actually, if we zoom out a little bit further, then you see that it was a wave 4 that bottomed in December, 20th of December. Within that wave 5, which started there, we saw already a first 1-2 setup. This is from an Elliott wave point of view, a setup that allows for rising prices, for higher prices going forward, because it is based on the idea that the trend is up and it's an upside continuation pattern. And then, yeah, we saw that 1-2 setup. The initial breakout failed, but it formed a higher low in that pullback. Another attempt reacted to this support region between 27.9 cents and 31.4 cents. And I will remove this one now. We don't need this one anymore. So that was our wave 2 support zone. And now the idea was then that we're now moving up in a third wave towards this blue target zone between 44.4 cents and 52 cents. Whereas actually the ideal target, the first ideal target for Circle Wave 3 is located at the 138% extension at 46.3 cents. That is, as I said, the first ideal target. It's not the maximum. So it can, of course, go up a little bit higher, but yeah, this is pretty much what we're looking for, that the price gets there. And the question then is, when do we assume that it's starting to break down? Well, what certainly shouldn't happen anymore, and if we really are in a third wave now, in Circle Wave 3, the price shouldn't break anymore below the 35-cent level. Okay, that's what should be avoided. So against that level, I am watching for higher prices. The absolute nearest support I can offer is this one here between 39.3 cents and 40 cents. I mean, as long as we hold that one, there isn't even any signal that, there's not even a local top in place. But at the same time, this is not such a meaningful one. So any break below 39.3 cents, it's not going to tell us that, oh, it's crashing down, it's coming down or whatever. It would simply be the first break of a nano support, of a micro support, right? So it is really not that meaningful. So overall, we're watching for higher, absolutely. And the next resistance would be around 44.4 cents and then 46.3 cents. Do we get another push higher today? Maybe, but we already saw quite substantial movements to the upside over the last few days. And the next resistance, yeah, is 44.4 cents. That's technically the absolute bare minimum for Circle Wave 3. But as you can see, based on the microstructure, I think we should get one more high in this third of a third wave and then another 4-5 pattern. This is what I'm watching for. And then overall, if we then look at, these are the smaller degree targets, yeah. What we also should do is we should take a look at the bigger picture for Doge, slightly larger time frame. Let's do that. Here we can see also nicely how the price reacted to this support region. And yeah, overall, this is the bigger picture. We just see the larger degree Fibonacci levels that are relevant here even better. Specifically 48.4 cents. That's going to be an important one. That's the December high and the November high that needs to be broken. And then 59.6 cents seems like a reasonable target for this move up. We'll see if we get there. Overall, if the idea was that as long as this support area is holding over the coming months, we should move towards $1.30 plus. It's of course far away, so we'll have to be a bit patient and see if the market will actually get there, but that is the current idea. Yeah, and obviously the condition is that the market holds certainly above the 13th of January low, but in the near term, even above this red line at 35 cents. That's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.